Hello friends, this is a demo video in which I will give demo of my project. So this internship I perform on SmartBridge Smart Intern. So my internship is my project is Intelligent Customer Help Desk with Smart Documents. So here you can see all the details regarding to it, categories, like another project description, IBM Cloud, IBM Watson. I have to make a chatbot. So I will tell it in next scenario. So let's move ahead. Okay, let me show my GitHub repository. So here I uploaded all things like SmartBridge AI, YouTube video, like my report, skills files. So let's move assistant. So here I created my assistant. So this is one assistant only. So this is a plus. This is my plus plan. So there are total 55 dialog nodes, 9 entities, 10 interns. So my assistant name is customer care. Okay, let's open it. Okay, it's opening. Okay, here you can check intents. So there are total 10 intents I created: cancel, customer care, appointment, goodbye, health. Let me open a goodbye one. Okay, this one. So here are total 5 examples I given. Okay, this is a intent name is a goodbye, which start with hash symbol. Always it start with hash symbol. The description is always optional, whatever you can write you can. The next thing is the entity. So entity is a thing that, okay, I will explain it in further dialog section. So dialog open. So dialog in which you have to flow, like this is a flow. Okay, these all are flows. So let me open someone. Okay, this is a entity. Reply yes, reply no. These are entities. They start with @ symbol. So let me try this one. Okay, you have to just click on try. Let me click on try. Okay, this is try. Okay, okay, I will. This is my bot's answer. Hello, I am virtual assistant to show the basic. Okay, let me now here you can give anything. Assistant will Watson service will understand what you mean. Let's suppose instead of writing hello, I will write hello. Let me write hola. So okay, I'm writing hola. So hola means hello. Okay, this time they know this is a general greeting section from my intents. So give answer hello, good evening. Now again write normal hello. Okay, let's WhatsApp write. Okay, again give same answer. So this is a Watson assistant. So let's move toward next point. Discovery, Watson discovery service. So by here you can see discovery Vinayak name is. So this is currently active. By clicking launch Watson discovery, it will open. This is all my APIs URL. This will help Node-RED. So in Watson discovery I uploaded one document. So this document is regarding to Linux. So this is normal document. So because of that, here you can see sudos, all hash. Again, this is 100% showing negatives. Okay, the concept tagging, cryptography, internet key, pretty good privacy. This is all because of that documents. So document is again classifying hardware, computer, servers, because it's all about Linux. So let me in schema. Okay, here you can see different fields like text one. This is a text. Let me show a document view in which you see metadata. This is my SSH report file. So because it show me all metadata regarding this file. So it is extracted PDF. So here is performance. Here you can see queries, total how many queries in percentage. Okay, there is 5%. The next part is a Node-RED. Okay, and this is a Node-RED. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay. Here you can this is my flow. Total flow is this flow file I uploaded already in flow.json in my GitHub repository. So in form you can see the information about forms in which properties. So it's under group of chatbot that I created. This is only one group. So okay, let me cancel it. So another one is function. So function, just you have to put function from here to there. It's very simple, and you have to write something in that function what you have to do. That's mean a function. Now this is my function name f1, and this is what function can do. So let me again move customer care. So in which you can see that name is customer care, username, password, API, server point, workplace ID. In this section, my customer care is binded with my Watson assistance service, so that I give that here. So this is all regular data, my username, password, APIs, server point, workspace ID. Okay, let's again move to second function. So this is a function name is please rephrase anything I put a wrong information, a user put a wrong information. So another is MSG payload. This is a message payload. So let me open it. Okay, this is a as is by default. So let me cancel. Now let me deploy it. So already I deployed it. Let me open in another tab. Okay, just opening another tab. So okay, it's opening. Yes, it's open. So here you can see the my name, customer care, help desk. Now let's suppose I enter here anything. Let's suppose I enter here hi. So here it show me hi, and bot give me answer hello, good morning. So let me try another one. Let me how to turn on heater. Okay, so this is how to turn on heater. Let me submit it. So bot will answer from at this time bot answer this question from my discovery Watson service. So discovery Watson, in which I uploaded another manual in a Linux section, another manual in which how to turn on heaters. So this query's answer come from that Watson service, discovery Watson service. Let me submit it. So okay, on clicking submit. Okay, how to turn on heater. So now bot give me answer. This is the menu. Let's test the wiring. So this answer come from that discovery section. So let me cancel it. So again cancel. This is become clean. Again hi. The answer is normal as regular. Again it's beautiful. Okay, this is why, because I get another answer because I put there is a random. So there are multiple answers. So here is this is my complete project. This complete project I made on Smart Inters provided by SmartBridge. So this project totally comes under artificial intelligence and intelligent developer section. So for this project working properly, very good. Again I want to say thank you SmartBridge to give me such kind of project. Thank you. Have a nice day.